Palantir just crushed expectations with a 39% revenue jump this quarter. So why did the stock drop over 8% after hours? Let's break it down. Segment 1. The numbers. First off, Palantir brought in $884 million in revenue for Q1 2025. That's up 39% from last year. Solid growth. They also reported 13 cents per share in adjusted earnings, which was right in line with what analysts expected. And here's the kicker. Palantir raised its full-year revenue forecast to nearly $3.9 billion. That's up from their earlier estimate of $3.76 billion. So far, so good, right? Segment 2. What's driving this growth? A lot of the momentum came from their US commercial business, which saw revenue spike by 71% to $255 million. At the same time, their US government contracts brought in $373 million, up 45% year over year. Much of this is fueled by their growing footprint in AI and defense, with projects that range from manufacturing to healthcare and even the battlefield. Yep, Palantir is now helping power the US Army's Titan program, which uses AI to support battlefield decisions. Wild, right? Segment 3. Then why did the stock drop? You'd think this kind of performance would send the stock soaring, but nope. Palantir's stock actually fell over 8% in after-hours trading. Why? Well, some analysts say it's a classic case of priced for perfection. The stock had already surged over 60% earlier this year, so even solid results may have felt like a letdown to investors hoping for a blowout. Basically, expectations were sky high. Segment 4. CEO Outlook and Future Moves. Palantir CEO Alex Karp didn't hold back on the earnings call. He talked about the company's warrior culture and said the US is in a new era of defense technology. The company is betting big on Southern Enterprise AI platforms and deepening its partnerships with the US military. With billions in contracts and a head start in AI infrastructure, Palantir is positioning itself as more than just a data company. They want to be the backbone of AI-powered defense. So here's the deal. Palantir had a strong quarter with big wins in commercial and government sectors. The stock dipped. Probably more about hype than fundamentals. But long term, their bet on AI and defense could keep them on top of the game. Like content that makes finance simple? Then don't scroll past. Subscribe, follow, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think? Is Palantir the future of AI defense tech? Catch you in the next one.